Alright, I forgot to tell you in the previous video, it might be a good idea if you're watching this and following this, if you have questions, to put it already on the comments section of YouTube, so I can incorporate it in the next videos. That's one great idea. Give me your questions that way, rather than later. What we need to do as well, I think we can close this one, just Ctrl S for just one last time. And then we have somewhere, I think, no, we do not have it anymore. Let's keep it around. Let's push that to the internet. Analysis of files and packages, right? That's there. Okay. Next thing, we've already done some elements. We just looked in here, but now we're gonna look more in detail. We're gonna compare i3 with our Xtended, and then open box, and then the rest. So a quick look. The only difference was this, right? Remember? But now we're gonna have a look at the rest. So this bunch should be okay. There is no qubit, torrent, etc. We've changed these things, but we just want to be sure. Here we have an extra line, so that's cool, that's normal, that's because we've made it, all right? That's okay. So this should be okay. We'll just check ourselves. Genie is out, Herflucht is in. That one has been decided to out. That's a new line to be created. Okay, Qtile, Rofi, it's a lot of checking we do. Do you want that or not? So this is still desktop specific. Then we wonder if this is i3. Where is i3? Well, i3 is an i3 status. Okay, fine. But that's still not i3. Control find. So next. Oh, back. i3 blocks. Let's assume I don't want that. We've decided a few days back not to launch i3 with i3 blocks, which needs to be built and all that, but rather to use i3 status as a start bar, which makes it more easy if you just want to install quickly i3. Then you don't need to build it with AWAR. It doesn't take a while to build. So i3 gaps next. Now we want to keep comparing between these guys, so I'm gonna put it down here. Desktop specific BSP WM, all right? If we don't say this line, we will never have i3 gaps. So I want to switch between i3 gaps, which is coming from the Arch repos, and the other one, i3 gaps next, is coming from the AWAR. So check and check again, because it will not allow any kind of typo. Okay, it's not gap, it's gaps. Okay, so Control find again. Are these all the i3 things that I need? Are these all the Lego blocks I want? I think so. And if we have an issue, we'll see. I thought this was a problem, but remember, we need to create a new one for the ArcoLinux config. Okay, I think we can conclude the video here. So we're gonna cut it now into desktops. Okay, before I cut it, let's push it so we don't forget. So, okay. Comparison between Xtended and i3, right? So we know what we did. All right, shutting down the video.